everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you come on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group. You can also follow me on Instagram and YouTube. You can check out my finished pieces at tellystalkingchalk.ca. Sorry, I'm just on the other side here. Just going to pull up my video, make sure that everybody can see everything. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, so I hope you can come and see what all we have today. There we go. I'm just going to get this shared out. If you can do the same when you jump on, that would be awesome. Except it doesn't want to let me share, so maybe not. Okay, maybe not for now. I will share after I'm done. So when you jump on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from, even if you are on the replay, hashtag replay, and let me know when you've seen this. We're just going to go through some. I have some more transfers that are new. So I have Oh My Gourd. I'm going to get this all blurry, I'm sorry. I hope you can see this. It always feels so far away from me because my camera's so far. One Day or Day One, your choice. This one's a cute one.
One day or day one, you decide.
Your choice, you decide. Same thing. I can't read. I actually didn't even try to read that. I just made it up as I go. This one I got for an order. If you want me to make this order up for you as well, I can. The witch is in, the witch is out. It's going to go on a bistro sign. What?
No, just I was wondering where that was going to go.
It goes on the bistro sign. So it has the one on the one side, because the bistro side is, or the bistro sign is double-sided. And so the one goes on the one side, and then you can flip it around. And then Our Life, Our Story, Our Home. That is the last transfer I got. Now we're going to go on to our surfaces. I only got a couple of things, so that will be easy. Except I feel like I'm making my throat off of my microphone. So that could be not good. So I'm just going to cut this open. This is the Couture Boutique Board Sylvie White Frame. You've seen me use these many a times before, so but anybody that's new, actually, if you're new and you're watching this, hashtag new in the comments. Let me know if you need info on Chalk Couture, hashtag chalk in the comments. If you want to know about Club Couture, which is our subscription box that comes to you monthly, hashtag club in the comments. If I'm not seeing your comments, like and follow the business page so that Facebook knows that we're trying to be nice to each other and talk to each other. Gonna hand that off to the husband. So this is our Sylvie. We've used these many a times. Oh yes, and the upside down ones are fun. Alright, so this one, why did I put that down? Is, I was going to say, it's a white box because it wasn't showing me the sign. This is the board and pillar. We have the board and the pillars, the one that we just did the other day, actually.
Over your shoulder.
I knew it was over there somewhere. I was like, I didn't know if it was up there or down here. Because at one point it was higher. the last thing that we had on it. We had put it up. Now keep in mind most of these are reusable. Actually, I think everything that I have here today is. Yeah, because this is that, and then the other one's a smaller thing. Yeah, it's reusable. Oops. Catch that wherever that just went. That was the little pegger thing, I think. So this, again, just, it's wired on there, so I'm just going to let it stay there. And then, the struggle is real with these things, I tell you. They fit in here just, so they get stuck. So then you have your stand that you can, or your frame that you can put in.
So there are holes in it.
No, this one cranks. They redid it, so now it like, it screws in so that it hold it in tight, but I don't know why they changed it, but they did.
They thought it maybe,
Probably the peg was always on out.
but yeah.
Yeah. So it looks like the other one anyway. It's just, the packing's just a little different, so that. And then we have. Oh, better watch out, I might get stabbed. It's got a pointy thing on the top of it. So this is our bistro sign. Oh, it will turn. It is both sides. They just have a elastic, whatever. Oh, that was too easy. I thought it was like wrapped around like this on both sides. But yeah, it just turns around like that. So that will be the which one? And then this one is just the board and base. Keep in mind, any of this that I have, you can get off of the website. And if you go to my website, tellystalkingchalk.ca, you will have links to get to either the US site or the Canadian site for the actual chalk tour. So this one is both sides. You can actually chalk even the wood. I noticed this part of the wood is like all different colors and gross. So maybe what we'll do is we'll sand it down and we'll chalk it with some paste, or we'll use the ink and change up the base color, and then we can put whatever we want on that. But that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in today. If you did, give me a thumbs up, let me know, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow when we start. Oh, whoa, we can't do tomorrow. We're leaving. We're on a trip. So, I will see you on Monday at 7 o'clock. Bye.